Introducing the Avi-on Visual Floorplan View, a seamless solution to manage your building's lighting, visualized live and centralized in one intuitive platform. Once set up, this web-based tool empowers facility managers to monitor and adjust lighting status in real time, whether on-site or remote. The visual floor plan integrates directly with the Avi-on Cloud system, mapping live device data onto a dynamic digital floor plan interface instantly and effortlessly. Let's take a look at some of Floorplan View's current features. Intuitive setup. Upload your floor plans in PNG, JPEG, or WEPI formats. Use drag and drop tools to place devices, sensors, and groups onto your digital layout. Save and your floor plan syncs instantly with the Avi-on Cloud, delivering real-time data without any coding. Visual mapping. Easily place and organize devices on your digital floor plan to maintain a clear visual representation of your assets. This feature helps you keep tabs on equipment locations and streamline facility management. Real-time control. Monitor and adjust lighting status, dimming levels, and sensor settings through a visual dashboard. Turn lights on or off, tweak sensors, or verify connectivity, all with a click, whether you're on-site or remote. Scalable management. Manage one floor or an entire campus. Floorplan View supports unlimited floor plans, letting you oversee every area of your facility with a clear, interactive interface. Layered insights. Access multiple control layers, track device status, program sensors, or visualize spaces in real time. Motion sensors generate a current view of room occupancy to show space utilization patterns, assisting in optimizing energy and space use. Simple requirements. All you need is an Avi-on system, an LTE bridge, a web browser, and an Avi-on account. No new hardware, no retraining, just seamless integration. Why invest in Floorplan View? It saves time, reduces complexity, and empowers data-driven decisions. Available with your Avi-on Gold service plan, it's designed to scale with your budget and your building. Get started today. Reach out to your local agent, contractor, or connect with Avi-on directly to set up a demo or install Floorplan View at your facility.